Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable or disable navigate pages with text cursor in your Microsoft Edge browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable navigate pages with text cursor in your Edge browser, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to open your Microsoft Edge browser. After that, in top right side corner you will find three dot. Just click on that, then click on settings. In left side you will find accessibility. First I will close this one. In left side you will find accessibility. You just need to click on this and scroll down. You can see under keyboard you will find navigate pages with a text cursor. By default this option is disabled. You just need to enable this option. Just toggle it to on, and below you can see here to turn on or off caret browsing, press F7. If you want to turn it on the caret browsing, you can press F7. In some of the laptop you have to press function plus F7. In some of the laptop you can press only F7. After pressing you will find this option like turn off caret browsing. Just click on turn off. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable or disable navigate pages with text cursor on your Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.